of the members of the electoral board are outside his seat.
Ah.
I heard it before I heard about it.
Oh, he's anti-Gracie.
Oh, poor Gracie.
Oh no. Hopefully she's gonna learn some lessons from it. Like we're walking and
He's
Maddie.
the opposite of Gracie. He doesn't.
Oh no, he loves Grace. Yeah, the two are inseparable. But like, we were walking out here and Maddie was out there. Like growled at her, but also wagging her head at the same time because I go, well, this is the lady with the deer in her backyard. Oh, I like her. Well, she still won't let her pet her. But yeah, runs up to her. There's a whole little. But she did have to check him out when she got back. You okay? You okay? Okay? Nothing happened? Nothing happened.
Speaking of neighbors, I really.
Why?
Somebody a bottle of wine, and it was in a CVS bag, so they came deep on it. And he would have had to walk all the way to CVS.
He was giving somebody a bottle of wine?
He said he was still a bottle of wine.
Oh, she can't have wine either?
No, he's not supposed to buy it.
Oh, that's not fire. He was giving it as a gift. And whoever told him,
No, apparently he got caught with it.
that somebody was spying on him. Everybody spied on him.
Today that I had heard it kind of took me off of it.
He's not driving through anybody's backyard. He's
No.
not, you know.
And until he's ready to stop hurting himself, telling him no is just going to make him want it more.
No, because he's going to do it because, you know, you told him no. How dare you run my life?
I was asked to write him a note every now and then to keep his spirits up.
Wow, those crickets are waking up.
Uh-oh.
You guys saw that?
Yeah, I
He
saw
took
that.
a big left turn on that one.
Yeah, right to the woods.
Yeah, they're all wet.
Yeah, I'm going to work. Yeah, be at work. Still meet in the Walmart parking lot.
Do the water tower.
We bought some fireworks. Yeah, I bought, you know, fireworks. And you can buy the grocery store. You have to sneak on it, you know, go across the Union City and sneak out in the corners here in California.
Mm-hmm.
But man, they are so dry right now. You know, it's like, and usually people are fireworks all over the place. But they're cracking on big time. Most of the time they get rain, you know, just crazy, but not this year.
Most of the time at home, you get away with it when they would really write you a ticket in a heartbeat. And take them away from you.
And then go by himself. Because I have a cousin who's a cop. And on a Fox Family reunion, we only ever had one. It was raining, Captain in the barn, confiscating fireworks. Yeah. It was just a farm. I mean, it was an outdoor field, but they weren't down. They weren't planning. Plus, it was raining cats and dogs.
Personal ones were all we had. I remember when I was a kid, set 'em up, and somebody was burned really bad in the state one year. So we never had them again.
So we used to have it in California. We used to all walk Johnny Morgan Park, and we also sit on the lawn and watch the fireworks. There's on the street, people start bringing their own personal fireworks. I mean, this is a crowded park. And, so they're setting up these fireworks, and, firecrackers right next to people, and, and that's Johnny Morgan Park. I mean, Belmont? Yes, we used to swim up at the baseball park. And, so we used to watch. And we tried to cook it one year. These kids were little. And we called them up on the all set in the roof with my mom and dad. And we had events to do the fireworks. So every year, we had food beds up there, kids up there, watching the fireworks. And then a little hard on this roof. Yeah. Well, anyway, we took the roof off and added the new roof. And we discovered right where we were going to somebody had
Mom and Dad got divorced many years after when I was in high school. She was dating a guy that had hundreds of acres right on the river, way out of town. So we'd go out to his house, and we could see fireworks from our house.
my brother-in-law used to have something that used to be down on the fireworks when I got up at him.
For us, they were right about our house.
Oh, by the way, can you buy that lot?
Oh, you finally got it?
Yeah. And they were in the bidding war. Paid way too much for it.
How much did you pay for it?
Oh, I don't know. She didn't say. It was on Facebook. She didn't say exactly. She said we definitely overpaid on that lot.
Oh, the lot? Oh, it was not a lot. It was like maybe 600 square feet. Small.
What?
It wasn't a corner. I'll Google it for you. It was a piece of land that then turn around and car. He's gonna have to turn his car around.
Really? Seriously?
Not a lot. He could build on it. Less than 1,000 square feet.
I know, but there was a bidding war?
Yeah, because the whole story. Apparently the original land that he bought was a full acre. The problem was this little piece of land that they parched it up into like to the quarter acre. So all that was left was this little piece of land that was no more than 2,000 to 3,000. No more than 2,000. It was really small. And the guy had wanted to put a little teeny house on it, but the city wasn't going to let him. It's not existent. Probably buy it and then try to sell it. He said he only wanted to use it to turn his car around. So he have to back out on the freeway. That's all it's for. That's it. You can't build on it. You can't put a garden. It's just flat enough. Ended up paying like a 2,000 square foot piece of land, which is like, a 16th of an acre.
Well, they paid.
Well, he said originally it was 50,000. They did more than 50,000 for,
But a whole freaking house.
Saw 3 dogs when I was down there.
And Grace is going, what is going on over there? And Jasper wanted to go. Jasper, oh, what's that? No.
Jasper would have